Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 is equal to ln of 2x minus 10 or 4 is equal to, we know ln is equal to log of log base e. So we can write here log of 2x minus 10 base e, or 4 is equal to, we know log of x base a is equal to y. Then we can write here a to the power y is equal to x. So we can write here e to the power 4 is equal to 2x minus 10. Okay, or changing side, we can write here 2x minus 10 is equal to e to the power 4, or now taking this negative 10 to right side, we will write here 2x is equal to e to the power 4 plus 10. Now we know e is equal to 2.7182 and something. So we can write here 2x is equal to e, that means 2.71 whole to the power 4 plus 10, or 2x is equal to 2.71 whole to the power 4, that means 4.59 plus 10, or 2x is equal to, adding this we can write here 64 times 64.59. now divided both side by 2, we can write here 2x over 2 is equal to 64.59 over 2. This 2 cancel out this 2. So finally the value of x is equal to, this divided by 2 is 32.29. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.